What could be the first sound of a Marsquake, helping astronauts bust the dust on future missions to the moon, and celebrating our home planet. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. An instrument on our Mars InSight lander has measured and recorded for the first time ever a likely Marsquake. The faint seismic signal detected by the lander's Seismic Experiment for Interior Structure instrument was recorded on April 6th. It is the first recorded trembling that appears to have come from inside the planet, as opposed to being caused by wind and other forces above the surface. Scientists still are examining the data to determine the exact cause of the signal. The InSight mission is studying the deep interior of Mars to learn more about how it and other rocky worlds, including Earth and the Moon, formed. A technology being developed by researchers at our Kennedy Space Center could help keep pesky dust out of hard-to-reach places in spacesuits and other gear used by astronauts on future exploration missions to the Moon and other planetary surfaces. The Electrodynamic Dust Shield, or EDS, recently launched to the International Space Station on Northrop Grumman's Cygnus spacecraft. The technology, which uses dynamic electric fields to remove dust from surfaces, has been tested extensively on Earth, but the upcoming year on the space station will provide invaluable data that could be used for future missions on the Moon and Mars. NASA is working to send American astronauts to the Moon by 2024, specifically to the lunar South Pole, a place no humans have ever gone before. For Earth Day, we invited the public to help celebrate the beauty of our home planet with a global social media event and local events around the country. As part of our Picture Earth event, social media users around the globe posted photos of their favorite natural features. To help inspire them, we shared some of our most stunning images of Earth from space. Some photos submitted by the public could be showcased in future NASA projects. Meanwhile, local events like our Earth Day in the nation's capital at Washington, D.C.'s Union Station were filled with demonstrations and hands-on activities to help illustrate how we explore our home planet and beyond. Space for Us is our new interactive website that highlights how observations of Earth from space help strengthen communities across the United States and inform decisions about public health, disaster response, and environmental protection. The site features 56 stories illustrating how NASA science has made an impact in every state in the nation, as well as the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and regions along the Atlantic, Pacific, Gulf of Mexico, and the Great Lakes. For 6 decades, NASA has used the vantage point of space to better understand our home planet and improve lives. Experience the site for yourself at nasa.gov/spaceforus. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.